Good afternoon, welcome in our Vela vineyard today, where I'm going to talk to you about pruning. We are in July in New Zealand. That means it's winter time here. Winter time is the moment where we are pruning the vine, meaning that we are cutting the shoots so that the vine doesn't get too bushy. The idea about pruning is that we want to keep a certain amount of spurs that will give the shoots and the growth for next year. That is going to be the best for production, for the quality of production for the coming season. So the idea is to keep about between 8 and 10 spurs, which are going to give us between 18 and 20 canes. The idea, if you come closer here, we have a lot of spurs from the previous year, and we are going to cut it to keep 2 spurs each time. So what we want to do is to keep always the lower one, so that we have the shoot that is as close as the main wire here, so that we are going to get all the grapes in one homogeneous fruit zone. So what I'm going to do now is start pruning. So as I told you, we're going to keep 2 spurs each time. We come here as well, so we cut the top part. And we keep the bottom part. As well, keep 2. And we clean all around. So the idea is that we've kept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've done 10 shoots, so that's 20 spurs, which are going to give us 20 shoots next year. 20 shoots going to be able to give us the opportunity to reach about 5 tons per hectare, which is what we want to achieve to have quality fruits.